Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain the Restaurant POS session in Odoo 19. First, open the POS application. Here you can see Restaurant Session and Kiosk. Let's start with the Restaurant module. Click on Continue Selling. On the landing screen, you can see the table arrangements. This is the main floor, and here you can see the patio area. Based on your restaurant setup, you can arrange tables, adjust their alignment, create multiple floors, and customize the layout as needed. On the register, you can see the product panel where all food and drink items are displayed. You can also access all orders related to the current POS session. In addition, the booking section allows you to reserve tables in advance, making it easy to manage customer reservations. Now, let's create a new order. First, select the order type. You have three options: dine-in, takeout, delivery. I'll start with dine-in. Next, select products from the available categories. You can organize items based on food, drinks, or any custom categories you've created. For this example, I'll select a bacon burger. If the product has variants or additional options, you'll see them here. I'll add the dish and then select a Coca-Cola from the drinks category. You can assign the order to a table or create a tab directly from here. Alternatively, you can start the order by selecting a table from the floor layout. Before proceeding to payment, you can choose an existing customer from the customer list. If you don't want to assign a customer, you can simply continue with the payment. Now, click Payment, select the payment method, such as card. If the customer gives a different amount, you can enter it here and the system will calculate the change automatically. If you need to generate an invoice, enable the invoice option. Otherwise, you can proceed with a standard POS receipt. Additional payment methods can be configured in the POS settings, which I'll show later. Once everything is ready, click Validate. The receipt is generated and you can print it directly from here. Now let's create another order. This time, I'll select Takeout. You can edit the order name and enter a customer name or reference. For example, I'll enter 001. You can also schedule the takeout order by selecting a date and time. This is useful when customers want to collect their order later. Next, add the required food and drinks. Once the order is ready, click the Send button. In the order section, you can see the takeout order details. After that, proceed to payment, select the payment method, and validate the order. That's the complete takeout process. Now let's look at the delivery option. If you integrate Odoo with delivery platforms or delivery services such as Zomato, Swiggy, or other delivery providers, you can manage those orders directly from the POS. First, select the customer, then choose the products for the order. Click the Send button to submit the order. Next, open the order, select Payment, choose the payment method, and complete the transaction. If the customer requires an invoice, enable the invoice option before validating the payment. Once the payment is validated, the delivery order is completed. And that's how you can manage dine-in, takeout, and delivery orders using the Restaurant POS in Odoo 19. In the next part, we'll explore the backend section of the Restaurant POS. Thank you.